Molweni babukeli be-Whittlesea TV. Ndiyanamkela enkqubeni namhlanje i-Hustlers Corner. Ndingusisipho Ciko. Namhlanje ndihleli nobhuti Luyolo Mjezu owalapha ongurefli walapha e-Whittlesea. Bhuti Luyolo, siyakwamkela enkqubeni namhlanje. Molo njani?
Ndiyaphila sisakhonto. Ndiyabulela namba lapha kule Whittlesea TV namhlanje.
Enkosi bhuti, bendicela usixelele ngawe ungubani waphi?
Ezibaba sewutshilo mna ndinguluyolo Mjezu. Ndizalule apha eWhittlesea, ndakhulela apha kwaye everything endayenza apha. I went to school from primary until tertiary apha. So basically ndithi ngolapha akho into ngolapha.
So ke bhuti Luyolo, abantu balapha ekuhlaleni abaninzi bakwazi as goalkeeper. So ngoku ngurefli, ngicela usicacisele kabanzi ba usuke njani la switch from goalkeeper to referee, wenze kanjani?
Okay, good question. Well, Sisi, I started playing football up as young as 13. Didlala from my primary team. So I khona football ndiqale phayana and I became a goalkeeper, well famous locally, ne? Then I started younger and football phayana. But because of the area later that is disadvantaged in opportunities, you become a great player. Well, ndabona no ikhona icala lithi refereeing. Let me join. So I became a referee. Ndabona ba elicala le refereeing licala loba umuntu ngakwazi usuka from the local level aye to the national level ayekwenza whatever akhalele uyenza at national level.
So ngoku ukwi national level, cela uxelele umbukeli osadlalayo olapha around uba khaba motivate uba benze njani to be kule level aba aspire uba nguwe.
Well, it's a passion kuyo yonke lento. This starts with passion ukuyithanda noba I saw mhlawumbe nokuthi when you want to be a decision maker amongst the people and we born lento but man, I have a passion of becoming a decision maker. Then I joined the refereeing. Then to abantu abakhalelayo, you start at a local level, have a passion on it. What I must include as well is that you get paid. Nobody maling at lower levels. Nobody traveling. It's called traveling fee. Then you go up as a retinue. So you have to firstly write exams, refereeing exams. You have to be fit as a referee, train every day, know what to eat. Be disciplined, basically. Alone, you have to be disciplined, and when you run and pass and you write and pass, then you go to local level, go to SAB league, you go to provincial league, you go to national level. So that is how I got to national level from the roots of Whittlesea, from the dusty street Zalapha Whittlesea, and I got to the national level.
So kanje ngwazi uthetha ngoba uyabhala i-test in ifundelwa phi CSP isikolo yakuso for ufunda i-refereeing or ukuthi uyobhala za exams ke.
Okay, now we are under SAFA, the South African Football Association. Now what SAFA does, there are exams that we write. The courses, there are workshops that SAFA zenza for referees specifically, so that is the funde laws of the game. What are laws of the game? The funde laws of the game. So when you become a referee, you enforce the laws of the game. So SAFA provides those workshops so that abantu bakwazi bafumane the laws of the game, bayazi the knowledge about football basically. So what to do, the rules of the game. So SAFA provides ezo zinto as well.
So kabhuti Luyolo, ngicela usixelele uba udila kanjani nala pressure yapha ebaleni, because as bakudlalwa ii-emotions ziphezulu, abanye bayazibona bayaluza bayawina, then kune spectators, kune media. How do you control yourself from la pressure leya?
Thank you, sis. Well, when something drives you, when you have passion for something, whatever you deal with, you always concentrate. But the aim goal is to do this forward. Let's start with the pressure that I get amongst the players, because there are 11 and there's 3 of us, 1 referee and his assistants, referees plus a 4th official. Basically we are 4. Then there are 22 players. How do we manage them? Now as players, I'm the sole judge. Paibalin, I have full control of everybody, including the technical the technical areas as lab. So it needs you to understand, but at a certain level. Understand, well, I know it's fine, but there's that point no, I have to stick down. No, I'm the referee. They won't do anything as long as uyenza. But it must not be a deliberate mistake. It must be an innocent mistake. Some of us send mistakes because there's this thing of match fixing. Abantu benze izinto bebe ezizinto bazenzayo bezenza ngabom. Akho umuntu enze mistakes. At the end of the day, we are all human beings. Sazenza mistakes. Hey, there's this thing of media. The whole South Africa is watching. Kubanzima, but if you have a passion, you can overcome everything. But Glendo media, what I register in my mind is that I'm in a normal field, but the only difference is that there are cameras now. So I do learn on color, but my focus is that with cameras. So the appendage.
So Luyolo ngicela usixolele ukuba xa sowuphumile from la pressure yasebaleni kuba khona ukuba nawe la xesha loba ubukele le match yakho ba ibinjani ureferee njani, then udila kanjani neza comments zoba lo referee bethengiwe inini because abantu obviously bazothetha.
With the help amongst the colleagues and our senior referees and our senior officials, because we have Abanabas who have experienced before. So I was just about how to deal with these things, and the SAFA, you can call everybody when you seem like, hey, everything is, you are at your worst. There are those times you've gone by, hey, I've made a mistake, a blunder. You have made a plan, and so they can call, we can call them, they can console you, and we have to move on. And when you believe in something, you can believe in God, you pray, and you pray that everything is alright. You'll go on, life will go on, is alright.
So also move on from Lomdo, since we la negative publicity, ubuyele baleni esasibindi so usimastarisha kanjani sasibindi sophinda ubuyele phake ke baleni knowing that bekukho into ethethekayo ngawo.
I pray. I just pray before the game that Thixo ndincede whatever happened in that game, that game igqithile. So let me look forward to the next game. So you are as good as your last game. So whatever happened in your last game, it's gone. Go forward, look forward. You went to the same mistake. But if you mistake, the same mistakes. And at the back of our mind, we must know we're human beings and sometimes mistakes.
Okay, so from ubangu referee ke ngoku zeziphi ezinye goals zakho that you wish to achieve ke ngoku in future from this step, where to from now?
From now, in refereeing, firstly, we want to move from national, we want to go international, we want to see ourselves, in fact myself, going to a World Cup, going to Olympics, going to major tournaments, AFCON, Africa. I want to see myself going forward in refereeing. And others, and I went to school, I have a degree and become general, so and I'm going to look for employment, so there are goals, and I want to educate myself. Then there's new degrees in modern girls.
Luyolo masikubulele ngoba nathi namhlanje ngqubeni.
Enkosi.
Babukeli be Whittlesea TV sivile uBhutilolo esixelela ba all he does is pray akhondo yodlula ithandaza. So ke ukubabukeli siyayivala olwahlobo inkqubo yanamhlanje lo bethetha nawe namhlanje bengusisi Phociko. Till we meet again, love you, bye.